Okay guys, today we are back at it again, Hill Country Pressure Washing and Carpet Cleaning, and we are working on this house here. We're actually today, we've come out here and worked before for this lady here, and we did her driveway. We put a sealer, we cleaned the driveway, put a sealer on it. We cleaned the garage floor as well. This is brand new. She just had this put in, this limestone walkway. So today, she wants us to clean this and seal this. This is going to be $2,000 job or $2,500. Not sure yet. Depends on how difficult it is to get this clean. But it's going to be between $2,000 and $2,500 for this job. I'm going to try to remove all this black stuff off of here. We're going to put a sealer on this to protect it from the inclement weather. Weatherize it, preserve it. Brand new. It looks beautiful, but it's going to look more beautiful. It's going to look a lot better after we clean it and put a sealer on this. So let's go on back around here. We got Felix and Jason back here already. We've already unloaded all the equipment. Sorry, I'm not trying to jostle you guys around, but we've already unloaded all the equipment, and Felix and Jason are in the process now of setting everything up back here. Pretty much got it, all the furniture. We had to move all this furniture, and Felix and Jason moved all the furniture off there. And we got two machines. We're going to use one to surface clean, and the other person is going to go behind with the wand and rinse as we surface clean. So Felix and Jason has got this already cleared out of all the furniture. And we're going to try to get rid of all these black stains. And then we're going to, once we get it cleaned, we're going to put a sealer on this. It's going to look beautiful. It's going to make these colors pop and just bring it back to life, because this is a beautiful surface. Now, this lady that lives here used to have a swimming pool right here, but she's got a dog that comes out, and then her son is also he's in a wheelchair, and so she didn't want to have to worry about him falling into that pool, so she had it filled in, and they put the limestone, just made it all into a big limestone patio. And this is part here, as you can see, is covered. This is enclosed here, this part, and this part is not. And I think that's why all the stains is because this part is exposed to the weather, whereas this in here is enclosed. It's protected by the ceiling up here. So we're going to go ahead and get this cleaned up today, and we're going to put a sealer on this patio surface, on this limestone surface. It is going to look beautiful, so stick around. The best is yet to come. All right, guys, we are rocking and rolling here on this job. We treated this with using a soap bomb, whatever you want to call it. But the soap bomb only applies very little chemical. It's mostly water, and we laid some down on the surface, but you see all these black stains are still here. All these black stains, unsightly black stains, and these are green, but that's that's algae, moss, whatever is a biological agent that has attached itself to this surface. The little bit of chemical that we applied to this is turned it in this area green from the brown color that you see there. But we did a little experiment over here. This was the heaviest blackest part, and I did a little test on this, and as you can see, right in here where it's clear now, that was the darkest, heaviest dark spot, was right here. And as you can see, it's gone. So that gives me hope and lets me know that we are going to be able to remove all these dark stains. So take note and look at these dark stains right here. A lot of people who have these type of surfaces, limestone, flagstone in the Central Texas area, a lot of the folks out here have these limestone surfaces, decks made of this limestone or flagstone. This right here, I believe, is probably flagstone. But and there's a lot of these decks made from this kind of natural stone here in Central Texas. It's very popular. But we are going to, now Felix has already started trimming the edges on the outside here, and you can see that he's doing a good job with the wand of cleaning these. But it's still, you see the green stains there. When we I've got a little trick for those, and I just used it over here to remove those stains. That was the heaviest, darkest spot on this whole deck, so I tried a little trick that I picked up along the way in life, and now this area right here that was the darkest, most heavily stained area is clean. That's amazing. Look, look, look. Jason saw it. Jason saw it. His jaw dropped when he came around the corner. You see that?
Wild.
Huh?
Yeah, that's wild.
Is that crazy?
That whole spot was black.
That whole spot was black. Now, clean. So we're going to get this cleaned up real good today. Okay, so this is something, guys, that we are going to do for Miss McAllister, because I'll be honest with you, Miss McAllister is one of my favorite people. She's one of my favorite customers. I've been knowing her for a few years now, and she's just the salt of the earth. We love Miss McAllister. So we're going to go ahead, and she didn't ask us to do this, but I see up along those ledges, on the top of these ledges up here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's pretty dirty up there. I don't think it's ever been really cleaned. So up along the top of those where the windows are, those ledges, we're going to go ahead and just spray those off and clean those off, because I think it's just going to make it less dusty and cleaner in here. The mud dauber's nest right there, we're going to go ahead and knock that down as well. And then, like, along the walls here, I don't know, that doesn't look too bad, but these window sills are pretty dirty. I'm going to go ahead and rinse those off for her. And if she wants us to, we'll go ahead and knock these windows out and clean the windows. We got squeegees and stuff to do that. But I want to clean this up real good because Miss McAllister is one of my favorite customers. So we're going to, like I say, we're not going to do any in-depth, real heavy cleaning of the walls, but we're going to go ahead and knock these things off, and then we'll rinse it all down. We'll rinse it all down, and if we have to squeegee the windows, we'll squeegee the windows and clean them up. So we're going to add that to this job. I'm not going to charge Miss McAllister for this, though. We're just going to do it for her because we like her. All right, guys, so we're just getting... we are going to treat these stains, these dark stains. So we got Jason and Felix. They are applying a special mixture that we came up with ourselves to treat these stains with, because these dark stains on this flagstone surface right here, they are really tough to get up. But as you can see over here, where we have already applied this, they're disappearing. Those stains over are disappearing fast, and they will continue to lighten up and disappear as this chemical that we put together continues to dwell. You're going to see all these stains, because when we came, you remember this black stain that I poured our chemical on over here? Those stains, they're pretty much gone where I poured it here. And so that was just a test spot that I did. But all these black stains, these are going to be gone. We're just going to pour this in, let it dwell for about 15 minutes, and then we're brushing it in a little bit, not too much, but brushing just enough to agitate the chemical down into the stone, the natural stone. And all these little black stains that you're seeing, they're all going to be gone. You will see. We will be back to show you the results when we are done with this.